Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to print output without a new line. So guys, this Python program will help you to print statements without a new line at the end of the print statement. So usually whenever we are using the print statement, the next time when we have another print statement, then the control flow will go to the next line and print that statement. But let's say if we want to continue on the same line, then we will be using the end parameter in the print function to avoid the new line. So let us check this with the help of example now over here in the VS Code. So let's say we have the print statement in this case, and it is a very simple string. So let's say we have this is a statement. So we say this is a statement over here, and then let's say we have another print statement, and then we again type this is another statement this time. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once. So as you can see, we have got both the statements, but both of them are on different lines over here. So this is a statement is on one line, and this is another statement is on the second line. So what if we want both these statements on the same line? So guys, what we can do is we can use the end parameter inside this print statement. So over here what we can do is after the string or any data that we want to print, we provide a comma and then followed by end parameter over here. As you can see, VS Code is suggesting us this end parameter. We have to use this one and then followed by a blank space, or you can also use the space character, or else we can also use full stop as well followed by the space character. So in whatever form you want to separate both these statements, it is this is a statement and then this is another statement, you can provide that particular character over here inside the end parameter. So guys, let us say we have the full stop followed by a space character over here, then what will be the output on the terminal? Let me just save this file now and try running this code once. So as you can see, we have got this is a statement on one line and then followed by a full stop, and then we have a space character as well, and then we have this is another statement on the same line itself. So guys, this is the functionality of the end parameter. It will help us in order to print the next statement that is being provided to the print function over here on the same line. Now guys, what if we have another print statement over here, and then let's say we have this is third statement. So what will happen to this third statement, whether it will be printed on the next line or whether it will be printed on the same line where both these statements are printed. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got this is a statement and then this is another statement, the entire string on one line, that is both the statements on one line, but then when we have this is third statement over here, it goes on the second line. Now guys, why this third statement has gone to the second line over here? That's because after this print statement, we did not have any end parameter. So the control flow assumed that the end parameter is having the new line character. So the next print statement is going on the next line over here. So guys, after each print statement, we have to provide the end parameter if you want to have the next print statement to be printed on the same line. So let's say if we want this statement to be printed on the same line again, so again we have to provide the end parameter over here, and then let's say this time we provide hyphen as the separator. So over here after this is another statement, this particular hyphen will be displayed, after which this is third statement will be printed. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. All the three statements must be present on the same line. So as you can see, we have got this is a statement followed by full stop, and then we have this is another statement, and then followed by hyphen we have this is third statement over here. So guys, this is the way that we can avoid a new line while we are using the print statement using the Python program. So guys, please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to read a file line by line into a list. So stay tuned.